Acne troubles? Need a natural solution that works? We've all been there. The sudden appearance of a pesky pimple, the discomfort of a stubborn breakout, the frustration of recurrent acne despite trying countless skincare products. Many of these products are packed with harsh chemicals that can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and even more breakouts. It's a vicious cycle. But what if there was a different way? A way that harnesses the power of nature to help combat acne and promote clear, healthy skin. Imagine a remedy that's not only effective, but also soothing and nourishing to your skin. Enter the Acne-Fighting Tea Leaves Face Toner, a simple natural solution infused with the wisdom of Asian-inspired skincare. This toner, recommended by Jennifer Yen, creator of the Pearlist skincare collection, combines potent ingredients that work synergistically to tackle acne at its root. Stay tuned to discover how to make your own Acne-Fighting Tea Leaves face toner at home. Gather these ingredients to start your skincare journey. First on the list are peppermint tea leaves. Just a teaspoon of these is what you need. Peppermint tea leaves are known for their natural antibacterial properties. They help combat the bacteria that cause acne, and their refreshing aroma adds a soothing sensory experience to your skincare routine. Next, we have white tea leaves. You'll need 4 teaspoons of these. White tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, which protect your skin from the damaging effects of free radicals. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can soothe redness and irritation associated with acne. The third ingredient is distilled water. This is what you'll use to infuse the beneficial compounds from the tea leaves. You'll need half a cup of boiled distilled water. Then, we add a touch of tranquility with 2 drops of lavender oil. Lavender oil is celebrated for its calming scent and its ability to combat bacteria. It's also soothing, making it an ideal ingredient for a skincare product designed to fight acne. Finally, we round out the mixture with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a skincare superstar, known for its hydrating properties and its ability to soothe inflammation. It helps maintain your skin's moisture balance, keeping it hydrated without making it oily. The amount of aloe vera gel you'll need will be enough to fill a 4-ounce spray bottle atomizer when mixed with the tea-infused water. Together, these ingredients form a potent, acne-fighting toner that's designed to promote clear, healthy skin. Each component has been chosen for its specific benefits, and they work together to maximize the toner's effectiveness. Remember, maintaining healthy skin starts from within. Incorporating this homemade toner into your skincare routine can be a step towards healthier, clearer skin. With these ingredients at hand, you're ready to start crafting your homemade toner. Dive into the preparation process with these simple steps. Let's start the journey of crafting this acne-fighting tea leaves face toner. First, bring together 1 teaspoon of peppermint tea leaves and 4 teaspoons of white tea leaves in a French press. The mingling of these 2 ingredients will start to create a potent base for your toner. Next, pour half a cup of boiled distilled water over the tea leaves in the French press. The hot water will coax out the beneficial compounds from the tea leaves, infusing the water with their acne-fighting properties. Now, it's time to introduce a touch of lavender oil into the mix. Add 2 drops of this soothing essential oil for its antibacterial properties. Lavender oil not only smells divine, but it also works hard to fight off acne-causing bacteria. Let the tea leaves steep in the water for about 10 minutes. This pause is essential to fully extract the beneficial compounds from the tea leaves. While you wait, take in the calming aroma of the tea and lavender, a sensory reminder of the natural goodness in this toner. Once the steeping time is up, press down the plunger of the French press to strain the tea leaves from the liquid. What you're left with is a potent tea-infused water, filled with the acne-fighting properties of white tea and peppermint. Next, transfer the infused tea water into a glass container and let it cool to room temperature. As it cools, the tea water will continue to develop its potency. Once cooled, it's time to add the aloe vera gel. This cooling gel gives the toner its hydrating element. Mix enough aloe vera gel with the tea water to fill a 4-ounce spray bottle atomizer. The aloe vera gel not only provides hydration, but also helps maintain the skin's moisture balance. Now it's time to give your mixture a good shake. This ensures a thorough blending of the tea water and aloe vera gel. Once mixed, your toner is almost ready to use. To keep your toner cool and refreshing, store it in the refrigerator. The chill adds an extra soothing touch when you apply the toner to your skin. Before each use, remember to shake the bottle to blend the ingredients. Then, spritz the toner onto a cotton pad or directly onto clean skin. The gentle mist provides a refreshing burst of hydration and acne-fighting properties. And voila! You've made your own acne-fighting tea leaves face toner. Now you're ready to incorporate this natural homemade toner into your skincare routine. Enjoy the soothing and rejuvenating effects of this potent yet gentle toner. Now that you've made your toner, here's how to use it. First, start with a clean canvas. Before applying the toner, cleanse your face to remove any dirt, oil, or makeup residue. This ensures that the toner can penetrate your skin effectively. Next, shake the bottle of your newly created toner. This helps to mix the ingredients thoroughly, ensuring that you get the full benefits of each component. Now, let's get to the application. You can apply this toner in two ways. 1. Spritz it directly onto your face, keeping it at a safe distance to avoid the sensitive eye area. 2. Spray the toner onto a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your face. Either way, the goal is to evenly distribute the toner all over your skin. Remember, skincare is not just about your face. Extend the application to your neck and décolletage. These areas are often neglected, but they're just as prone to acne and show signs of aging. After applying the toner, let your skin absorb it completely before moving on to the next step in your skincare regime. This might be applying a moisturizer, serum, or sunscreen. The best time to use this toner is twice daily, in the morning and at night. Consistency is key in skincare. Regular use of this toner can lead to visible improvements in your skin's health and appearance. As for storage, keep your toner chilled. Storing this toner in the refrigerator not only extends its shelf life, but also adds a refreshing, cooling sensation when applied. It's like a mini spa treatment right in your home. In case you experience any irritation or discomfort, stop using the toner immediately and consult a dermatologist. Remember, everyone's skin is different and reactions to ingredients can vary. With regular use, this toner can help you combat acne and achieve healthier skin. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and patience to see results, but the wait is worth it when you've got clear, glowing skin. Wondering why this toner works? Here are the benefits. Each ingredient in this toner plays a unique role in combating acne and promoting healthy skin. Let's start with peppermint tea and lavender oil. These two powerhouses are well known for their antibacterial properties. They work in harmony to combat acne-causing bacteria, keeping breakouts at bay. Moving on to white tea and aloe vera, these ingredients have potent anti-inflammatory effects. Acne often comes with redness and irritation, but fear not. White tea and aloe vera soothe these symptoms, reducing inflammation and promoting a more even skin tone. But the magic doesn't stop there. White tea is also packed with antioxidants. These tiny but mighty molecules protect your skin from damaging free radicals, promoting overall skin health and slowing down the aging process. Last but not least, let's talk about hydration. Aloe vera gel is a hydration hero. It provides moisture to the skin, helping to maintain a balanced moisture level. This is crucial for acne-prone skin, as over-drying can lead to increased oil production, which may trigger more breakouts. In summary, this acne-fighting tea leaves face toner is more than a simple skincare product. It's a blend of natural ingredients, each with its own unique benefits, all working together to promote clear, healthy skin. This toner is a simple yet effective addition to your skincare routine. Ready to start your journey towards clearer, healthier skin? Imagine harnessing the antibacterial properties of peppermint tea and lavender oil, the soothing effects of white tea and aloe vera, and the antioxidant-rich benefits of white tea in your everyday skincare routine. Hydrate your skin and balance its moisture with aloe vera. It's all within your reach. All you need is to embrace the wisdom of Asian-inspired skincare. Take the first step towards better skin. Try making this acne-fighting tea leaves face toner today. Please like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.